Hey, how's it going? It's Ollie here. So I want to give you my formula, my exact formula I use to make $1,000 or more per month on YouTube. So the first thing I want to point out is none of this stuff involves generating ad revenue from your content. And to be honest, I'm not a very big advocate of building a YouTube channel to make money from the ad revenue. There's a few reasons why. Number one, you have to have a hell of a lot of views to actually make enough money from the ad revenue to make a living. And as you can see from a lot of other YouTubers out there, really growing from having no subscribers to having, say, several million, which is what you really need to make a living, can take so long. It can take years, if not decades, for that actually to happen. And in many cases, it never happens. So we're going to talk about more tangible, quicker ways to actually generate an income from your YouTube channel. And this is what I've used, even though I don't even have too many subscribers. So the first thing I would do is pick a niche where you know that people spend money on a certain thing, right? Now, if you want to know exactly how to build a niche, then I'm going to give you a training on that. So look in the description, there's a little notification at the top there where you can click and find that. But once you've found a niche, like a small segment of an audience, people who are interested in one topic, you know that they spend money on stuff. If you create a really concentrated audience who are just interested in that thing, that can be a very, very powerful base of people to actually sell products to, right? So first of all, think about what kind of area you would like to go into. Now, once you've done that, create videos and pieces of content that you believe these people would find valuable. One great way to find out what type of content people in a certain niche would actually find valuable is to have a look and type in keywords associated with the niche into YouTube and see videos that have got a disproportionate amount of views. For example, if you look for videos that have got several million views and the channel only has a few thousand subscribers, this is an indication that the views didn't come from the subscriber base, but they came from people searching for the videos because they were really interested in the content. So what you can do is mimic these types of videos within that same niche and create content around the similar type of topics. This will give you a much higher chance of actually getting views and really growing your channel quickly. Now, as your channel grows and you get more subscribers and more viewers, what you want to try to do is take the audience off YouTube, because quite often it's helpful to be able to contact your audience and your leads outside of the YouTube platform, right? Because the only way you can contact people on YouTube is by uploading a video. So it's really great to either, one, build an email list, right, by sending people to a landing page where maybe they opt in for a free PDF or a free resource in exchange for the email address, and that's how you start to build your email list. Or alternatively, get them inside a Facebook group, right? Say you can join my Facebook community, and inside there, there's tons of people who are very similar to you, interested in the same kind of thing, and you can join them and get loads of value and content inside there. Once you start to build your audience outside of the YouTube platform, you can contact them more often. You can send them emails, you can put posts in your Facebook group, and you can start to bond and connect with them, and eventually you can actually turn this into a business. Now, once you actually have an audience full of leads interested in a certain niche topic that you've created from your content on YouTube, now you can actually begin to offer them products and services. It's up to you what kind of products you sell to your niche, but personally I've found that the easiest way to get started selling products to a certain niche audience is by offering digital products, right? Because you can build something with maybe a selection of videos or pieces of audio or something like that. You can get it built for zero cost, and you can offer it instantly with no fulfillment costs. Right? So for example, you could build a course or a program that you know that your niche would be interested in, offer it to your audience, and then the leads that you get from YouTube will have the option to buy it if they're interested. Right? This will enable you to bring in some revenue month to month. Now, for me personally, in my business, I generate tens of thousands each month selling digital products to people in my niche audience, and they are interested in one specific thing. I talk to them about one specific thing, and I sell them products based on that. So this stuff works really, really well once you start to build up momentum. Another option you have to sell to your leads is instead of building your own products, you can actually sell affiliate products. So you can get a commission for selling somebody else's program. Every single time you make a sale, they'll give you a percentage of the fee. This means you don't need to have your own products, you don't need to be an expert, you don't really need to even build anything. You can sell something on behalf of somebody else, use their marketing and everything. And all you're doing is referring your leads to other people's offers. So, if you can do this and get started, sooner or later, you can build up some income. Some affiliate programs or some digital courses will give you up to $500 per sale. You only need 2 sales of digital products per month to make $1,000 per month from YouTube. So this is a great way that you can get started actually building some revenue from your YouTube videos. And it's a great way to actually build a business. And I'm going to give you a free training that actually walks you through exactly how to do all this stuff, getting people inside a Facebook group, inside a certain niche, and then helping them build a business. If you click the link in the description or the one that's on the notification that just popped up, you will be able to see my free masterclass that walks you through exactly how all this stuff works and how you can get moving with it and build an income within 30 days. Also, there's a link to my Facebook group and some other resources down at the bottom as well. So hit subscribe if you want more videos like this and you want to delve deeper into how these strategies work, and I'll catch you very soon. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.